You've been camping wrong. I'll show you how to turn your next trip into a legend. With fire hacks you've never seen, wildlife secrets, and the one mistake that could ruin your trip. Stick around, your future self will thank you. What's up, adventurers? I've spent over 200 nights in the wild, and today, I'm spilling all my secrets. This isn't just a camping video, it's your ticket to becoming an outdoor ninja. Let's make your next trip epic. Smash that subscribe button. We're just getting started. Your campsite is your kingdom. Here's how to rule it. Always throw a tarp over your tent if rain's in the forecast. Double protection equals zero regrets. Wait for the bear bag hack at 8 o'clock. Fire secrets even Boy Scouts don't know. Forget lighter fluid. Here's how to start a fire in 60 seconds. Every time. If you don't try this, you're legally required to unsubscribe. After dark. Adventure or disaster. Nighttime is when camping gets wild, literally. Here's how to stay safe and have fun. Plot twist. It's just Steve the deer. He's here for the marshmallows. Sunrise rituals for legendary mornings. Your morning routine can make or break the day. Here's how to crush it. Leave the place better than you found it. Future campers will thank you. I made these mistakes so you don't have to learn from my pain. These fails could ruin your trip. The number one fail is so embarrassing, watch till the end. Camping isn't about being perfect, it's about stories you'll tell forever. Now go make yours.